How to enable record calls on your Galaxy A15 smartphone. This is the A15 5G model with the international model setup. So not every Galaxy A15 smartphone will have the record calls option here, and I'll show you where to go to find this, and I'll show you which model I have at the end of this video. To do this, make sure you're using the original Samsung phone dialer app that your phone came with, and from here, you'll go into these three dots right up here. As you tap on that, go to settings, and you'll be taken to the settings of your call dialer app. You'll see record calls here. If it's not there, that means you just don't have it. Your model doesn't have it. But if it does, tap on it one time, and you want to enable the record calls option here. Okay, and of course you can't use this anywhere. In some countries you're not allowed to do that, so please check with your laws, please. So just confirm that here, and then you can tap right there to choose the settings of what to really record. So if you want to record every call, you can go here, or if you want to go with unsaved numbers, go with that, or a specific number. If you tap on that, you can select here now and add that particular number that you want, and then it's just gonna record that call there for you, and every time that number calls you, it's going to start recording that call automatically for you. All right, so it's up to you to make that decision here, and then you can go and view all the recorded calls if you have any, and also delete any of the older recordings, because this is going to use up space from your storage when you record a call. Okay, now to see the model I have. So if you go into the About Phone section of your A15 phone here, you will see the model, which is this one here. And if you don't have this one here in particular with that serial number there, then chances are you won't have that record option. Okay, so like it's a